Is it getting any readier than this? No, we're not. Hi, welcome back to my channel. Thank you very much for joining me today. Hi, hello, and welcome if you are new. We do this every Thursday and Sunday. It's kind of like this exciting, adventurous journey that keeps you on the edge of your seat. So you should hit that like and subscribe button. And I can wait while you do that. There's no problem. Because today we're going to be opening my Ipsy Glam Bag Plus for the month of April. And I'm a little confused why the male human decided to jam it in the mailbox like this. So yeah, we're just gonna unjumble this. And here she blows. It looks like it's kind of okay. Really dirty, but we'll see. If you've never heard of Ipsy Glam Bag Plus, Ultimate, Extreme, XL, whatever. This is the second one up on their 3-tier little fellas they have going on there, and I believe this is an extra 25, maybe 35 a month. I can't quite remember, but it's like its own little thing all on itself. And if you look back at the rest of my videos I've done about this, I've had it for a few months now. And I'm noticing a trend where it's mostly just skincare. Like that's their big thing is skincare, which isn't bad, but I have so many already. I'll leave a description down below more specifically about how much it is, when it is, all of that. But I figured I'd let you know and try and put off opening this. It's so gross. I don't know what sticky stuff they use to close it, but it is not my favorite. Ooh, hi. Oh, okay. So we have, oh, this smells good. It smells like Fruit Loops. Well, I fancy Fruit Loops. We have quite a few things here in and outside of the bag. I'm guessing it fell out of the bag because it looks like they would fit, but that's everything. Yeet. I'm gonna see if we have a, of course we do. Oh, we have a card. And as always, the card is not very helpful. Cool. Thanks, Ipsy. Similar to my Ipsy Glam Bag, this is my Ipsy Glam Bag Plus. The theme for the month is the same. It is Force of Nature for April 2020. And the front of the card gives you kind of a little rundown of what Force of Nature is. The back of the card really pushes you to get that Glam Bag X that comes out once every 4 months, I believe. Yeah. For $55, snag 8 full-size faves worth up to $529. Cool. And as always with the Glam Bag Plus from Ipsy, inside the card there's nothing about what you get in the bag. Nothing. Isn't that wasteful? Just throwing it out there. It tells you some skin-friendly superfoods like grapes, avocados, sweet potatoes, leafy greens, chia seeds. And the picks for my Ipsy Glam Bag Plus are valued at $120. Okay. So since there's no information in the card, we're gonna have to go through this. I'll put the prices down below like I typically do, and I'll try and pop them up here on the screen somewhere in all of this. But again, with the bag, cute. It's another drawstring bag, which is pretty nice. I like it. The feel for this one is a bit different compared to the other one. The other one was very like, how do I say it? It was like rough and stiff, and it gave me like those summer beachy vibes. This is a lot softer, so this is kind of like a sundress kind of almost feel to it. Also really cute, but it doesn't give off the same vibe just because of the materials from it. But let's see if I can open it like I just closed it, and then we'll go through the products. I believe I get 5. It would be so friggin' helpful if this card said anything about what I got in the bag or how the bag works, something. Ipsy. Anywho, I'm gonna start with this big shiny fellow that was sticking out of the bag from the beginning. These are cute. These are from, so they're brushes. Before I completely just hog them to myself, they're brushes. They're really cute, and the brand says SHAINA B Miami. And I do love brushes. I will never turn down brushes. One thing I do like about Ipsy though, I'm just gonna say, they usually always include brushes for me, which is great because I love brushes. Thank you, Ipsy. Wish I knew more. If only there was a card. The next thing I'm gonna pull out here, it's a tiny little fellow. What are you? It's from the New Co. The Pill. It is an all-in-one serum. AHA plus vitamin C plus HA. Everything your skin needs in a single dose. So 2 pumps to the face after cleaning. Follow with moisturizer. Okay. So it's a serum. Serums go on before your moisturizer. I do love serums. This is pretty cute. I don't know much else about it other than it has 27 non-toxic ingredients, including glycolic acid, lactic acid, and hyaluronic acid, plus tiger grass to deeply hydrate, resurface, and plump and tighten the skin. That's a whole lot of claims for one little bottle. I've never heard of the brand either, so that's pretty cool. I will definitely be trying this. So this is another, well, this is a skincare product, makeup, cosmetic skincare. We'll see how this goes. The next item here, oh, you're cute. Oh, it's from Victoria Beckham. It is a Future Lash Smudge-Free Lifting Mascara. Oh. Strengthen and lift, a clean vegan mascara that loves your lashes and stays in place all day. No. So, this is what it looks like on the outside, by the way. But I'm reading the outside, and it says, directions for removal. Future Lash washes away entirely. No lashes harmed, no remover needed. Just gently rinse your eyes with warm water to seamlessly remove the mascara from each lash. Never have I ever had anything do that so easily. So that in itself is a pretty big claim. Forget your volumizing, lengthening, smudge proof and flake proof. Being removed so easily, I'm skeptical, but now I'm curious. And I know as long as it has Victoria Beckham's name on it, she does good with whatever she touches. So just gonna open, ooh. Okay, so this is a good transition. On the outside, the packaging, very simple, matte, minimal, right? I open the box, tiny little box, but I open it, we got some glossy black going, boom, in your face. And oh, this is heavy. We're glass. That's why we're, okay. Glass. Cute. And again, very minimal. It's glass, shiny glass, of course, and then it says Victoria Beckham here in gold, which I think is absolutely beautiful. And then on the back of it, it says Future Lash Smudge-Free Lifting Mascara. Meow. I've never seen mascara in a glass bottle before. This has gotta cost a pretty penny, just glass. And then on the inside, you get this cute little card, and, well, not a card, but like instructions. Pretty much the same thing that was on the box, but it gives you a rundown of what was on the outside of the box in many different languages. So that's pretty cool. We are trying to be universal here. And that is beautiful. Oh my goodness. I've never seen mascara like that before. In a glass? No. To me, that screams fancy, bougie. Hey, love the some. The next thing we have here is from SERUMKIND. It's a facial serum. Okay, so like another serum. We're doing another facial. So far we have 2 cosmetics, or 2 makeup things, and then this will make 2 skincares. It is from SERUMKIND, which is a facial serum, purple cabbage drop. Nice packaging though. Never heard of you before. With the longest history among vegetables consumed by humans, the cabbage is considered as beloved food, superfood until now. Purple calming time with red cabbage. Directions: apply an appropriate amount on the face and gently tap until absorbed. Also a brand I've never heard of. So let's take a peek. Oh, are you stuck? A little? Oh, okay. Wow. This is super aesthetically pleasing. Like, my eyes are enjoying this. Yes. I like this. I like the color. It looks like it's going to be soft because it's kind of like foggy in the bottle. I like this. Huh. Okay. I never said I hated all the skincare, but there's just a lot of it. But I'm willing to try it. So I put it back in the... It's pretty cute. I didn't say I disliked any of the products I received that were skincare related. I have a lot of them now. But that one's pretty nice. And then this will be the last item in my bag. My Ipsy Glam Bag Plus. It is Deep Sleep Body Cocoon. And I really hope this turns me into a butterfly. But it says, a multitasking beauty sleep savior for better nights and brighter mornings. And it says this works. I don't know, I think my sleep is pretty okay for the most part. I don't sleep as much as like most people, but I'm okay with that. It works for me. 24-hour skin solutions. It says use nightly after bathing and before bedtime to restore and nourish the skin whilst you sleep. We're fancy. Whilst. So it says when, how, and why. So a little bit about the whole thing. That's cute. Oh, and directions. Massage nightly into hands and body and breathe in deeply. Caution for adults use only. Keep out of reach of children. Why? Why? I have questions. Can I smell you? What? Oh, it has a seal on it, but I can still smell it, and it's very herbally. I was worried it was going to be like super lavender, you know, like lavender is calm and relaxing, and I don't like lavender. This actually smells pretty nice. Cool. And as I said, that's all the items in my Ipsy Glam Bag Plus for the month of April 2021. Let's go ahead and count back down. I got 1 skincare, 2 skincare, 3 skincare, 2 serums, and a lotion, which is like, I don't know. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3 products, 4 mascara, 5 brushes, which makes 2 cosmetics. Boom. But this bag does have a pretty cute look to it, I just have to say. I like the pattern. It's not as cute as the other one, and I can't put my finger on the fabric that it is. This is pretty nice, don't get me wrong. I did enjoy it. One thing I did not enjoy was this card, because I feel like it's still super pointless to have it if you're not going to tell me what's in the bag. If you're just going to throw ads at me, Ipsy, send them to me on the app. Really, it would make things a whole lot easier. And I don't know how many other people you're sending these to, but we're out of caffeination. So that'll bring us to the end of our video today. I did enjoy, for the most part, my Ipsy Glam Bag Plus. I'm still not like we're vibing,
but I don't feel like it's a solid, it's like there, it's a part of me, kind of like my Ipsy Glam bag. My Ipsy Glam Bag Plus just isn't quite there, and I'm wondering if it's just overkill at this point. Like, I already have one, why do I need the other one as well? That's kind of what I'm feeling right now, but I don't know. We'll see. Hopefully I was able to find all the prices for these items and put them up on the screen, or at least put them down below. If you have any questions for me about the bag, let me know as well. But I wanted to know if anybody else is just getting primarily skincare in their Ipsy Glam Bag Plus. I'm thinking it's just me. We'll find out. I will catch you next time though. Remember, we do this Thursday and Sunday. Bye!